Is lychee good for diabetes? The lychee is a fruit from a tropical tree found in 2 provinces in China. The tree is now cultivated all over the world. Lychee is a fleshy fruit with an outside covered by a pink-red, roughly textured rind that is inedible. The rind is easily removed to expose a layer of sweet, translucent white flesh. Lychee are used in a variety of dishes with popularity mainly in China, throughout Southeast Asia along with South Asia and parts of Southern Africa. A fresh whole lychee contains a total 72 mg of vitamin C per 100 grams of fruit. This is equivalent to about 86% of the recommended daily allowance of vitamin C. But the fruit offers very little else nutritionally. Is the fruit good for diabetes? A 2007 study in China experimented with lychee seed on diabetic rats. After several tests were performed before and after meals as well as at various other times, the study concluded the following. In the experiment with type 2 diabetic insulin-resistant rats, lychee seed can reduce the level of blood glucose, regulate components and content of blood lipids and improve insulin sensitivity. This study backed up a 2004 study by a Chinese pharmaceutical company that reached the same conclusion about lychee water. So, is lychee good for diabetes? According to research, it is. The effects of lychee on blood sugar has been proven to be effective in keeping it at an even keel, if not actually lowering it after consumption. Plus, it helps your body's insulin perform better and helps keep the bad cholesterol at bay. What is not good about that? But unless you are lucky enough to have a really good Chinese produce market nearby, you are going to have to order lychee from the internet. And on average, you are going to pay about $16 per pound. Yes, that is a bit steep. There are canned lychee, but they are canned in heavy syrup and defeats the purpose of eating them to add to your diabetes diet. Top 7 diabetic-friendly smoothie. Low sugar smoothie ingredients: 8-ounce unsweetened soya milk, 1 cup spinach, apple pieces, 1/4 cup plain non-fat yogurt, 1 cup cooked oats, cooled, 1 tablespoon chia seeds. Soya milk. Besides their supposed blood pressure lowering effects, isoflavones have been reported in some studies is to lower blood glucose and insulin levels. Spinach is an excellent source of many other antioxidants such as vitamin C, beta-carotene, and manganese. Medical science knows that oxidative stress is a key contributor to numerous health problems, including high blood pressure, heart disease, stroke, and diabetes. Apples are a great fruit option for diabetics. Some fruits contain a very high amount of carbohydrates that can cause high blood sugar levels in diabetics. Tend to contain less carbohydrates per serving and constitute excellent fruit options for all diabetics. Low-fat yogurt naturally contains both high-quality carbohydrates and protein, making it an excellent food for slowing or preventing an unhealthy rise in blood sugar. Studies also show that a diet high in calcium from yogurt and other calcium-rich foods is associated with a reduced risk of type 2 diabetes. Oatmeal to your diabetes diet include. It can help regulate blood sugar thanks to the high fiber and low glycemic index. It's heart healthy and can lower cholesterol. It may reduce the need for insulin injections or the amount of insulin injections needed. Chia seeds, diabetes. Health food fans have been taking up chia seeds for years. Now, some studies show benefit for these seeds in diabetes. They are high in fiber, rich in healthy omega-3 fats, actually higher than salmon, and are also high in calcium and antioxidants. Take a blender jar, add all the ingredients and blend well. By taking this regularly, you can reduce diabetes in a very short period of time. Mango and coconut oil smoothie. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon virgin coconut oil, 1/4 cup chopped fresh mint, half cup organic mango, and coconut milk. Virgin coconut oil, the best results in terms of diabetes that we have seen from user testimonials over the years has been from those who replaced toxic vegetable oils with healthier fats such as coconut oil and reduced their refined carbohydrate intake with higher amounts of healthy fats in their diet. Mint. Peppermint is also used as an herbal medicine, especially for digestive and skin problems. It may also help diabetics who have indigestion, bloating, and nerve complications. Mangoes. Mango contains a lot of natural sugar. A number of studies have shown that the fruit is actually very good for the blood sugar management of the body. Coconut milk. Coconut milk is rich in vitamin C, thiamine, vitamin B1, folate, potassium, manganese, copper, selenium, iron, phosphorus, and potassium. Take a blender jar, add all the ingredients and blend well. Take a serving glass and pour the smoothie into it. Mango and coconut oil smoothie is ready to serve. Nutty smoothie. For this we need ingredients: 12 cashew nuts, half cup bananas, half cup pineapple, half cup yogurt, and water. Cashews have lower risks for type 2 diabetes and heart disease. Their C-reactive protein, a major marker of inflammation levels, were lower. Bananas are rich in iron. They are high in nutrient and minerals. Pineapple. Pineapple can be a healthy choice for people with diabetes. Certain fruits contain vitamins, minerals, and fiber that can be beneficial to your diet. Low-fat yogurt naturally contains both high-quality carbohydrates and protein, making it an excellent food for slowing or preventing an unhealthy rise in blood sugar. Studies also show that a diet high in calcium from yogurt and other calcium-rich foods is associated with a reduced risk of type 2 diabetes. Take a blender jar, add all the ingredients into it, add some water and blend well. Nutty smoothie is ready to serve. Kiwi pineapple smoothie. Ingredients: 2 kiwi fruits, half cup pineapple chunks, half cup cucumber chopped, 1 tablespoon lime juice, and coconut milk. Kiwi. Due to its fiber and fructose found in kiwi fruits, the glycemic index is extremely low. This means that eating this fruit will not increase blood sugar level significantly. It contains inositol necessary for controlling blood sugar levels in diabetics. Pineapple. Pineapple can be a healthy choice for people with diabetes. Certain fruits contain vitamins, minerals, and fiber that can be beneficial to your diet. Lemon juice. Lemon water is good for diabetics as a means of controlling blood sugar levels. Lemon juice is good for diabetics mainly because of its high concentration of vitamin C. Vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant that helps boost the body's immune system and has a beneficial effect on heart health. Coconut milk is rich in vitamin C, thiamine, vitamin B1, folate, potassium, manganese, copper, selenium, iron, phosphorus. Take a blender jar, add all the ingredients and blend well. Take a serving glass and pour the smoothie into it. Kiwi pineapple smoothie is ready to serve. Low-calorie ginger carrot apple smoothie. Ingredients: 5 grams ginger, 1 medium carrot sliced, 1 medium apple sliced, 1 tablespoon lemon juice, half teaspoon cinnamon, and water. Ginger has been shown to help reduce blood sugar levels and help regulate insulin response in people with diabetes. In one 2014 animal study, obese rats with diabetes were given a mix of cinnamon and ginger. These rats experienced a wealth of benefits, including reduced body weight. Carrot. Carrots are rich in vitamin A and K, vitamin C and potassium and manganese, complex vitamin B with folate, phosphorus and vitamin E in smaller quantities. Apple. Apples helps stabilize blood sugar levels in addition to providing other health benefits. Cinnamon. The researchers found the cinnamon cut cholesterol by about 18% and blood sugar levels by 24%. Lemon juice. Lemon water is good for diabetics as a means of controlling blood sugar levels. Lemon juice is good for diabetics mainly because of its high concentration of vitamin C. Vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant that helps boost the body's immune system and has a beneficial effect on heart health. Take a blender jar, add all the ingredients, add some water and blend well. Take a serving glass and pour the smoothie into it. Now, low-calorie gingered carrot-apple smoothie is ready to serve. Fat-burning green tea and vegetable smoothie. Ingredients: 2 cauliflower florets, 2 pineapple spears, green tea to the fill line. Cauliflower. The American Diabetes Association recommends eating half of one's plate or at least 3 to 5 servings of non-starchy vegetables per day. 1 serving is equal to half cup cooked or 1 cup raw. Non-starchy vegetables are encouraged because of the nutrition contributions they make to our diabetes. They are high in vitamins, minerals, fiber, and phytochemicals. I would like to encourage you to use cauliflower as part of this recommendation for people with diabetes. Pineapple. Pineapple can be a healthy choice for people with diabetes. Certain fruits contain vitamins, minerals, and fiber that can be beneficial to your diet. Green tea. Green tea contains high amounts of polyphenols and antioxidants. Polyphenols are known to have antioxidative properties which can help protect against inflammation and carcinogens. It has been shown that these properties in tea can help to prevent type 2 diabetes as well as some cancers. Epigallocatechin gallate EGCG is the key polyphenol in green tea. It is known to be the main attributable factor to the beneficial health effects of green tea. Through a complex biochemical reaction, EGCG in green tea helps sensitize cells so they are better able to metabolize sugar, which is beneficial for both type 1 and type 2 diabetes. Take a blender jar, add all the ingredients and blend well. Fat-burning green tea and vegetable smoothie is ready to serve.